Day number 11. What's up, guys? We are on day 11 of the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Appreciate it. Boom. First video is Russell Brunson. Today is all about e-covers and offer assets. So, e-covers and offer assets. Russell Brunson is just kind of explaining this little 4-minute video that e-covers increase perceived value by giving the customer something to look at. It makes them feel like it's an actual product, even though it is a digital product usually. It does give that tangible look for the customer, and it just plain looks better on a funnel. And then he's telling you to go to Funnel Rolodex to get it done. So here's Funnel Rolodex, the amazing ClickFunnels version of Fiverr. It can get extremely expensive, like this guy here. Now his mock-ups are pretty cool, but 150 bucks, that's quite a bit. Anyways, I did find something funny though. I found this guy here. See his picture? Looks pretty good. Here, I'll zoom in. Pretty good looking picture, right? So I went over to Fiverr. I was like, okay, these guys are good. They're not crazy expensive. Let's see what Fiverr's got. They're probably cheaper, right? So I was right. I did find some dealers. Most of them are between $10 and $100. Pretty close to what Funnel Rolodex offered, except they do the entire bundle. This guy here does the entire bundle for 50 bucks. Oh, but look at this. He's saying he made that. This guy's saying he made that. Who do you believe? Who made what? I don't think either of them made it, and they found it on Google. Kind of hard to tell like who made what these days. I mean, it's too easy to just copy somebody else's stuff, put it on your Fiverr account, or in this case, your Rolodex account. So anyways, 50 bucks will get you a product mock-up going. I believe he does... yeah, any bundle combination. 50 bucks, you're good to go. Those are the two options there. Fiverr, you got Funnel Rolodex. There's also another one called freelancer.com. I'm sure you've all heard of it. We're not going to cover that today. All right, we're pausing right here so you can like the video, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and get the alerts. All right, let's jump down to Steven Larson's call. He actually goes into, kind of explains the difference between physical products and digital products, and he explains why ClickFunnels tends to use both. They'll use a physical product to kind of tempt you in. They do that because they believe it builds anticipation. I'm not necessarily so sure. I personally like physical books. I also like the audiobook version and the ebook version too. I'm weird like that. He does mention that e-covers are basically just the digital version of mock-ups. Oh, yes, this is important. Digital products should be rolled into your offer even if you sell a physical item for quite a few reasons, but the main reasons are that digital products simply raise the value of your offer, but they don't raise the cost of goods. You understand what I'm saying? A video course, for example, pure profit. So you raise the value that you're offering while not raising your costs pretty much at all beyond the creation point. It also increases your margins because of the same reason. The cost of goods just aren't there. You have to pay credit card transaction fees on it. So you're making 97 to 98% profits on digital products, and the customer gets it immediately. That's basically all Steven Larson covers. All right, we're jumping in here, stopping this video so you can subscribe. That's it. So let's jump over to the workbook. In the workbook, they kind of preach to go to funnelrolodex.com. They also give you 3 other options. One of those options being Fiverr, another one being Cover Action Pro, which is a program to do the e-covers yourself. Yeah, you can make your own books and products look sharper with 3D mockups you won't find anywhere else. It is literally copy paste. Here, let's just back up a second. This is pretty good here. Boom.
And then back over on the click and choose to open that into Photoshop. Great. I'm going to go back over to my template, and I'm going to go up here to select, and then over here to edit, copy, and then back over on the mockup, I'm going to double click on the cover layer and then choose paste, close it, save, and the cover's been applied to the mockup. I've got other different controls for this mockup, like the shine. I can control.
Yeah, that's it. It's really cool. They have versions as well. I didn't show you that, but yeah, they have a bunch of examples, and all those examples are completely customizable, and you can Just copy them and paste them onto whatever mock-up you wanted. It's pretty neat. Seems pretty easy. The only downfall is the price. It is $297. So that guy on Funnel Rolodex, who was expensive as hell, $147, that guy, you would actually have to pay twice to even make up the cost of Cover Action Pro. So that being said, I will have a link to Cover Action Pro in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Just watch the video. All right, and the other website they're talking about is Smart Mockups. SmartMockups.com. SmartMockups.com is like a cheaper, easier online version of Cover Action Pro. They also do a couple different things that Cover Action Pro doesn't do, like mugs and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Anyway, so that's pretty cool. They do not have, they say they have a free option, but they don't. Yeah, here's their options. You got $9 a month. Oh, sorry, $14 a month for the basic package. $24 and then $84 for the whole shebang. They do have a 7-day free trial. Anyways, it's just an easier version of the other thing with a lot more product options, but not as much customability. But I did get the free version just to mess around with it. It is a 7-day trial. I'm going to mess around with it a little more. Maybe I'll come back and do an update on it. As of right now, not totally impressed with it, but it is cool to mess with. On to the next one! So let's jump back over to the One Funnel Away Challenge. We got Jim Edwards. Jim Edwards basically just goes in and shows you his final draft of his offer. And he's got the full copy down there written out. He does explain how he got the scripts in there that he listed. It was all part of the copy hacking from the previous videos that he was talking about, where he'd copy the stuff and put it in a notepad, and he would take that stuff out of the notepad and plug it into funnel scripts, and it created the copy for him. I said that for a reason. He uses funnel scripts to write his copy, so he isn't technically teaching anything. He is teaching research. He gives a lot of research information, but as far as actually teaching you copy, he's not really doing it. He's literally just telling you to go get funnel scripts every single video. It's irritating. That being said, he did let one little formula slip that was pretty useful, so he finally provided some value as far as that goes. The formula is, he called it the FBM, feature, benefit, and meaning. When you're writing your copy like this here, local marketing listing domination decoded masterclass, to describe this, you would put it in the feature, benefit, meaning format. So you would mention the features, the benefits of that feature, and then the meaning, and then you want the meaning to be kind of an emotional meaning, and that's what he's got here. And it does look good. It looks fantastic. I actually prefer the bullet point version. That's just my preference for stacks. That's what he teaches you today. He's still pitching you on funnel scripts every single video. He really wants you to buy his $800 product, or you can actually get it on a monthly subscription for like $100 a month. Totally reasonable, right? Copy is very expensive to outsource, so realistically it is probably a lot cheaper than it would be to pay somebody to do it. That being said, we're in the middle of a course that's supposed to be teaching us this. That's what bothers me about it. He's supposed to be teaching copy, not literally saying you don't need to learn copy because you have funnel scripts. I hope that makes sense. I'm not trying to rag on Jim Edwards. I know he knows his stuff. The guy is good. I mean, just look at his copy that he wrote. He's good. He knows his stuff. He's just not teaching it. That's my problem. Rant over. But yeah, that's the end of the day. We got everything. All the links will be in the description down below, so if you want to check those out, click down there and check them out. That caps off day 11 e-covers. It was a pretty simple day. It only took about an hour. The homework was also simple. Basically, it was just going into the websites and checking them out and trying to find somebody to do the mock-up for you. We aren't ready for a mock-up at this stage, so we did not do that. We haven't finished our offer to the point where we're comfortable with it yet. I'm probably going to try and build the mock-ups myself. Guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, make it blue. I appreciate it. It really helps out the video and the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We are covering the One Funnel Away Challenge every single day during the challenge. We're also going to do some follow-up videos, so make sure you stick around, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. See you later. Ring the bell.